Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well and doing great. So we all girls love doing makeup, right? But on a daily basis, a lot of us don't get enough time to take care of their skin as well as to do their makeup properly before heading out to office or college. Agree karte ho na? So, but what if I tell you that you can get that naturally flawless skin without layering too much makeup or heavy foundations every single day? Sounds interesting? Yeah, so as you know by the title, today I'm going to be sharing review of these newly launched BB creams from Maybelline. So this little tube is a perfect blend of makeup and skincare. It will not only even out your skin tone but will also take care of your skin because it's packed with some skin loving ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, as well as it has SPF 50 that's gonna protect your skin from the sun. Okay, so these BB creams are available in 9 different shades and are mostly like they are designed for Indian skin tones only, and I got my hands on 3 shades. Yeah, shade number 50, 55 and shade number 60. Now this is how the packaging looks like. I mean, just look at that, how tiny and cute it is, and it's so easy to carry and travel friendly. Okay, now let's get started with the swatches. The first shade that I have is shade 50. The second shade I have is shade 55. And lastly I have the shade 60, and here are the swatches side by side so that you guys can find it helpful. The texture is lotion like watery. You can easily spread it with your fingers and it's very lightweight. Now I'm gonna apply the same on my face. I'm using shade 55. It looks beautiful, dewy and hydrating on the skin. This is gonna even out your skin tone, fade pigmentation. It keeps skin hydrated and plump throughout the day. I'm applying it with the help of my fingers, but you can also use a brush or a beauty blender. It feels very comfortable. Now this is how it looks like. I have just set it with a compact powder and it gives a beautiful glowy dewy finish to the skin that I absolutely love. And yeah, that's all about the new Maybelline BB creams. देखा अपने एप्लीकेशन में कितने आसानी से आप इसको स्प्रेड कर सकते हो अपने फेस पे with the help of your fingers, है ना, कितने easily स्प्रेड हो जाता है. प्लस इट्स सुपर लाइट वेट. यस, मतलब आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि आपने अपनी स्किन पे कुछ लगा रखा है. योर स्किन but better. It's perfect for everyday wear. If you are not into heavy foundations, you can definitely give it a try. As well as इसमें SPF भी है, तो आपको बिल्कुल भी टेंशन नहीं लेनी है कि आपकी जो स्किन है वो प्रोटेक्टेड रहेगी from sun. And the main thing is no heavy feeling on the skin at all. No heaviness, no cakey. बिल्कुल natural looking आपको skin मिलेगी. So if you want something simple, quick and natural looking, you can definitely give it a try. Okay, I'll mention the product link in the description box in case you wish to buy. And that's it guys. I hope you guys found this video useful and helpful. Video अच्छी लगी है then please hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel. और अगर मेरे चैनल पर पहली बार आए या मेरी वीडियो फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो then please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you will get notified and you will not miss any of my video. So guys, that's it, and thank you once again for watching this video. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.